My name is Joshua and I'm an American attorney. I first met Nabeel Rajab in 2004 when I was representing the Bahrainis who were detained at Guantanamo. Nabeel began to help us with the case from the very beginning. He brought us to Bahrain and arranged for us to meet with government officials from the Ministry of Interior, the Ministry of Justice, and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. He arranged for us to meet with parliamentarians like Sheikh Mohammed Khalid and Sheikh Adel Al-Mauda. Nabeel was critical to our being able to speak to people in Bahrain about our clients and to advocate for their return home. After 3 years, all of our clients came home, and it was only at that point that I realized that Nabeel's work with us had not been universally popular in Bahrain. There were some in Bahrain who saw the representation on behalf of the Guantanamo detainees through a sectarian perspective. Nabeel wasn't like that. Nabeel didn't care about the religion of our clients. He didn't care about the sect of our clients. He didn't care about the background of our clients. Nabeel saw people who were being detained improperly and abused, and as a human rights advocate, he felt he had to speak out. It was about 5 years after I first met Nabeel that he first started speaking to me about issues regarding events in Bahrain. And again, as was the case with our Guantanamo clients, he saw people in Bahrain who were being improperly detained and abused. He didn't care about their religious background. He didn't care about their sect. He knew that as a human rights advocate, he had to speak out, which he did. Of course, Nabeel's advocacy for people suffering human rights abuses in Bahrain was purely nonviolent. I myself attended demonstrations with Nabeel where I saw him put his principles of nonviolence into practice. Perhaps most importantly, we should all remember that the courts that have heard the cases against Nabeel never found that he was involved in any violence at all. Given that, it's clear that the incredibly long sentence that Nabeel has received is not as a result of any legitimately criminal activity, but because Nabeel has criticized the government of Bahrain. That sort of sentence, on that basis, violates Bahrain's constitution and the international treaties to which Bahrain is a party. Bahrain should follow its own laws. Bahrain should follow the treaties to which it's a party and cease the prosecution of Nabeel for what is in essence his voicing of criticism of the government. After having had Nabeel help our clients for so many years, it's my honor to be able to testify on his behalf today.